Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So this is technically part 2 of my donation video. So the very first part that went up yesterday was the main chop and donation video. This one is actually going to be the shampoo and the style of my hair, and there will be a third part where she thins out my hair on the ends and then blows it dry to do like a finished style. So hopefully you enjoy this actual haircut after the main chop. I am trying to do like video in video because I did record not only with my iPhone, but I did record with my brand new Canon. So I'm trying to make sure that you have like two different views going on. And at one point the Canon did shut off because the battery died on it, but thankfully the iPhone was still running. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment down below on what you think of my new hairstyle. And I told her at the end of this, I was like, well, I'll see you back in 2 years to cut my hair again. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. This was a fun process, and hopefully you like the outcome of things. And I will be doing a separate video on how like all the requirements and things like that when it surrounds like donating hair. So hopefully you enjoy this.
Yeah. Yes. All right. Right on back when you're ready. So tall. No. I can almost put my feet on the wall. Right. It just feels so much lighter. It's like I feel like I have no hair right now. Yeah. You're gonna save a lot on shampoos and conditioners. I don't use very much anyways. Yeah. And if you want to use the tea tree stuff on me, I love a good. Oh, yeah. I haven't used homemade tea tree in forever. And then at the end of the conditioner, do a foam shot. My customer used to love that. Especially the guys that work in construction, they come on lunch to get their, high and tight, and then they get that. And I hit them with the coldest water I could. Yep. And they're like, oh, my head felt right for like an hour after I came in here. Like, I did my job. And I can stand pretty hot water. As hot as your hands can stand it, my head can't go. Sounds good. It's funny, it's not sensitive to heat, and I suffer with like itching right here on my head because I've got a dent right here. Okay. But I use the soapbox soap tea tree shampoo to help with the itching, but I don't have the undercut. Never had it. I don't have any like big dry scalp, which is pretty normal. Yeah, that's what I figured. I suffer with really bad dry skin everywhere. Well, tea tree is definitely one of the things that will help that over time. I love tea tree. Use it for 48 hours. Let's do a patch test. I did a patch test on his narrow will like we should do. And oh my god, like 2 seconds after I got done massaging 1 drop of oil into his arm, it was like his whole arm. You couldn't even bend his arm was that swollen. Like, you're allergic to tea tree now, but now you know. Yep. Yeah, a lot of allergies you just have to find out the hard way. Yep. Found out with shampoos and conditioners how bad I'm allergic to formaldehyde. And then there's like, I was using Mary Kay products and they changed the formula back in the early 2000s, right after Mary Kay Ash died. And her kids took over, so they started using formaldehyde as a cheap filler, the DMPM. And I was putting my brand new eyeliner on to get ready to go to the salon that morning, and ended up, I got one eye done, and I wasn't doing like a waterline, I was doing upper lash line and lower lash line on the actual skin. By the time I got one done and went to do the other one, my eye was glued shut. Well, I took the eyeliner and everything I put on my immediate eye area with me to the hospital, and they said, yep, you're allergic to formaldehyde. Gosh. Oh, that's great. You always find out with like a super traumatic experience. Right? Like latex? Yeah. Allergic to that too. Yeah.
That's it's actually downtown LA at night.
I have never been, well, excuse me, I can't say that now. I've only been past Mason Dixon once. It was when I graduated with my master's degree in Colorado. I flew out there for graduation in 2015. I did a dual master's degree, so they wanted me to attend, and I had like a 3.98 GPA, so I was on the dean's list the first year, and then like the year after that, I ended up on chancellor's list, and I had one teacher give me a B, and it went on my portfolio. I had all kinds of like achievements, and I ended up getting 2 certificate degrees and 2 master's degrees all at the same time, so they were like, yeah, you need to pull out for graduation. Like 3 days before that, and I ended up tearing my left tendon in both knees. One was just kind of, it was still torn, but it wasn't torn completely. And one of my right leg was torn completely, so I had an immobilizer brace on, where I'm trying to figure out how to wear panty colors under a dress, wear a dress over a leg brace, using a cane, walking around Denver. That was fun. And then I ended up falling up the stairs trying to get on the stage. That was so much fun.
Oh my gosh.
The guys like said my name, and I came walking up, and like I felt without lost sight. I had like 4 people like, and it was like, and the guy was like, "Oh, you're about to make it your entrance." Like, and then when I got my awards and the sashes and stuff like that to wear, I got to the end of the stage where the stairs are to go down, and the guy at the end, he's like, I'm like this, like, okay, I'm ready, let's go. I had like the whole auditorium busting up laughing. Well, I could hear my dad probably the loudest. He was, where we were sitting there, it was this side in the center and then opposite side, and we were in the front in the center in like the orchestra area. My dad was all the way like almost towards the back left, and I could hear him clear as day. He's like, go. He thought for sure I was gonna leap off the stage.
Oh.
That was fun. But that's as close as I've ever been to California. And Denver weather's crazy. It was like 85 degrees when we got there. It was June. 85 degrees, and then like the afternoon it started raining, and then 10 minutes later it started hailing, and by midnight we had like snow. I'm like, gosh, what the? I'm wearing like sleeveless dresses and halter tops and tank top. I'm like, it's June. You guys have snow.
Right? I know, some of the northern states, it's really weird. Like, the weather is all over the place.
I'm not worried about my mom or my forehead. Okay. I mean, that's why I told you I'm not wearing any foundation. I don't wear foundation. I mean, I have it, if I'm wearing it, I usually let people know. For the most part, I don't wear foundation. They don't make it in my color. Hey, paper white with yellow.
So hopefully you guys liked this, haircut. This is actually her, cutting my hair. And the last video of this little 3-part series is going to be where she styles it and then thins it out. So the videos aren't too long. I'm trying to keep them under 25 minutes. And I did speed up quite a bit of the shampoo session because of the fact that, she's just washing my hair. There was a couple things that we talked about while she was shampooing my hair that I decided to keep in. And then just the haircut session, for whatever reason, the audio wasn't as great of a quality on either of the Canon or the iPhone, so I just decided to go ahead and delete the audio that was on there and just put in some music. So hopefully you guys enjoy this second video, the actual cut itself. And what she's doing is an undercut, and I did talk about it while she was cutting my hair, but like I said, I cut that sound out. I might use the audio clip from part of the haircut in order to use it when she's blow drying my hair. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy, and I will see you in part 3, which will be tomorrow's video. And if you like this, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below on what you think about the haircut. It's a little bit longer than chin length, but I figured if I went chin length, then it won't take long for my hair to grow out. So this is what some of the finished product looks like right now. Hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are. See you tomorrow. Bye.